Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the eBay application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if your eBay application is not running as properly as it is supposed to, then the major reason might be that the application is not updated to the latest version. While most devices will update their applications automatically, if this is not set within your device, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. You can then tap on the search box and then type in eBay and start your search. Once you find the eBay application, tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, you will need to tap on the update button to install the latest updates for the app. Just wait for a while until the update is completed, and when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it to launch open the eBay app. And now once the application has been updated to the latest version, you will see that the application will run smoothly without any issues. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the eBay application to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.